Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.